So this is the rainbow version. I didn't get any scents on it even though I was tempted, but if you looked at my other video, you know that I have a hit or miss experience with scents. I feel like they don't last. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Build-A-Bear unboxing for their Peep bunnies. I saw this recently. I did do a video about the child a couple months ago. I also have a video up about working at Build-A-Bear. I used to work there during the holiday season a couple years ago, so I break down the pros, the cons, and the interview process. So if you want to see that, I'll have that up in the card. But let's get started opening this box up. I didn't even know this had shipped. I placed the order on Friday. It's now Tuesday. I didn't get a shipping notification, a tracking number, or anything. This just arrived on my doorstep, and as you can see, it has the classic Build-A-Bear kind of like tissue paper, wrapping paper. And here it is. I got the rainbow version and I kind of regret that. I kind of wish I had gotten just the solid pink or like the really pretty baby blue, but it comes in a bunch of different colors and it's a very firm pillow. Like very firm, so it enters through here. I was looking for like the seam because of the way it inserted into the stuffing machine. You insert the stuffing machine pipe into this. I have a whole video breaking down how they do it if you haven't visited the store in person. I did just order this online just because I haven't been to the Build-A-Bear in a while, and the only one that I have locally is the one that I used to work at. So this is the rainbow version. I didn't get any scents on it even though I was tempted, but if you looked at my other video, you know that I have a hit or miss experience with scents. I feel like they don't last. So if you've ever purchased anything from Build-A-Bear, let me know down below. How do you feel? Do you feel like the scents last longer than like a couple days? Because for some reason they never seem to last with me. So I picked up the little bundle that comes with a reversible bandana. You can also get this separately for $5.50. So this has the cute little bunnies and it says inside we're all the same. The other side, since it's reversible, just has a bunch of different peeps. Some of them have glasses. Really cute. You just tie this on. There's no like Velcro or anything. So we're gonna tie it on right now. All right, that's what it looks like with the bandana. Honestly, it's so chubby, it's a little bit hard to tie. I think I kind of prefer it without the bandana, but we're gonna try the other side now. Okay, so here we have it. Maybe if the bunny was a solid color, I would like it a little bit more just because there's a lot going on. But either way, it's super cute. There is a bit of a shimmer on this bear. I don't know if it shows up. It's kind of like a sheen. It's not just completely matte, which is cute. But I'll have the whole bundle price right here. It was free shipping. Super cute. I like it. It's very firm, like I said. Probably would have chosen a solid color. I wasn't thinking. I was just like, oh, cool, Peeps. Target also sells a very similar product, and I do want to do a comparison. The Target Peeps are 12 bucks, but I want to see in terms of size and stuff. Of course, at Build-A-Bear, there's more customization. You can choose to get little bandanas and clothes for it, or you can add scents, you can add audio sounds to it, whether that's you recording it yourself or just using one of their pre-recorded like Disney sounds. There's music, there's happy birthday songs, there's a lot of different audio clips you can put in, so that's something to keep in mind. But if you're looking for a cheaper alternative, I know Target always has those. I just never see them. They're always sold out in my local store and they're never online. As far as I could tell, I can never find it on Target's website, but I am gonna hunt them down before Easter and I'm gonna try to do a comparison video. But this is super duper cute. It's Peep's Rainbow Bunny. I'll have all details down below. Let me move this mirror out of the way so we can fully appreciate this cuteness. It's a decent size, honestly, and it's super duper soft. It's definitely a huggable pillow because it is stuffed so much. Like, it's so firm and cushiony. I like it. I think it's really cute. I really like Peeps. I'm not a huge fan of how they taste. It's just pure sugar. It's a very polarizing taste. Let me know if you like Peeps, but I do like how they look. I like the aesthetic of it. I can never eat more than like 3 because then I'm just over it. It's just a very funny texture. But I like the Peep bunnies. I like the Peep birds. They're just cute. It's just really cute stuff. I miss, my mom used to do little Easter baskets for me when I was a kid, and this just brings back a lot of memories. It also has the Peeps logo right there and the Build-A-Bear logo right there. And yeah, so that is pretty much it for this unboxing. Like I said, I would have probably chosen a different color, but I like it anyway. It's a really cool personalized version compared to the Target one, but we are going to break it down. I have a feeling the Target one might be a little bit softer. That's generally what I look for when it comes to stuffed animals. How soft are you? Can I cuddle with you? Can I put you on my bed while I go to sleep? I'm a sucker for stuffed animals. I don't care how old I get. They're just so much fun. So yeah, this is it. If I had more money, I'd probably buy another color. just because I love the solid baby pink or the blue. I know they have a yellow as well, but this one's fine. Let me know your thoughts. Are you getting any Peep stuffed animals from Build-A-Bear, or have you tried the Target ones? Let me know down below, and I will see you later with another video. Bye.